we got this old Otis elevator here. Check this thing out. This is sick. All right, let's close the door and take it on a ride. All right. The person at the front here was nice enough to let me film this. This is cool. All right, here we are, up to 8. Here we are. We are at the top. Look at that. There's a vent. This is crazy. This is actually really cool. This is one of those places I've been meaning to come into for pretty much ages, and I finally did. And this is definitely worth it. This is worth it, and they were very nice too. Guy was like, "Oh yeah, go get your video, have fun." All right, why is elevator in brackets or in parentheses? Huh. Anyway, down to B. Let's face this way. See the indicator too. All right. Let's see here. I want to see if there's a good view up we can get for this ride up. Maybe if I set the phone there. See, I don't want to drop it, but will this work? Not really. Well, we'll see. Let's see here. Well, let's start going up. Good view, so you can see out the top. Maybe if I... There we go. Oh! I need to use the alarm. Hopefully the people at the front don't think I'm having an issue or something. Shaky up at the top. Cool. Looks like that is the final limit switch right there.
And that's definitely no. I have a whole frickin' Home Depot bucket up on the top. All right, and
here's your panel. This is just a typical innovation panel. I bet you this was definitely manual. Yeah, I'm sure of it. Maybe it was automatic, I don't know, but I would reckon this was manual. Anyway, we'll go down to basement. see the counterweight go by. Here's a good view for that. There it goes. All right, we're gonna actually make it stop at 1. I wanna get a neat shot here. All right. Balance the phone here. Cool. Hello. Wait, let me just make sure and look if it's on 0.5 or regular. It's on 0.5, okay. Balance it there. Do not drop it. All right, we're gonna take it down 1. Here goes. All right. I am framed and my phone does not fall right now. All right, taking its time. Look at that. This thing sure waits a while. Hope the video is with the pit. And there we go. I hope that was a good shot. All right. Does this go up? Yes, it does.